Hi friends, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is much different than what I usually do, but I think equally or honestly a little bit more important than what I usually share. I have been telling you guys lately that I have felt a lack of community. I have not felt a part of something bigger than myself, and I greatly want to help my community more than I have. I live in a beautiful community and I really would love to give back and help the people who are most in need right now. For this video, I want to share with you guys my very first meal share that I will be doing. So I signed up for this group on Facebook. It's very simple. You fill out the form, whether you want to give food or receive food, and you just kind of go from there and you get matched with a family in your neighborhood. I signed up for this a couple of months ago actually, and I just got matched with a family. Now, since this is my first meal share, I said I would be willing to help out once a week for a month because I didn't know, well, I still don't know what my capacity is going to be. I think it's helpful to share this experience with people because I have never done this before, and honest to goodness, I never would have thought of looking into these kind of things had it not been for other people sharing it on social media. So that is why I am doing this today. The family I got matched with is a family of 5, and I have been going back and forth with meal ideas in my head, racking it around. So we are starting out with lasagna because I thought it was a very easy one. I asked her what sides they would like and things like that. So that is what we are going to be going shopping for, and I'll take you guys along with me through the making it and all of that good stuff. Aldi closes in an hour and a half, so I need to get my butt in gear. So let's go to Aldi. We've entered the aisle that is my true nemesis. You're coming home with me. These are the only noodles they have. Can I just cook them like regular noodles? Because I don't know. Oh my gosh, just give me the noodles. Oh my god. Jesus. Got it. I guess I can get my own mozzarella and shred it for them because they have none left. Okay, I think I'm gonna go. I was hoping they had ground pork to also put with this. But I think we'll start here because it's almost 2.5 pounds. I think that'll be good. Kelly's grabbing a second box of these because we'll just give them this full box and then 2 more so that each of them can have 2. I don't need it. I have nowhere for it. I don't need it. I have nowhere for it. Okay, so for next time, when I don't procrastinate, this is 3 pounds for $15. So pretty equivalent to what I got now. They have ground turkey. I think the meat I got is going to be okay, but this is good for me to keep in mind for the next meal delivery. Oh, and it's got the lid. I like the lid. Do they have a longer one? No. Is that one longer? No, those are the same size. Is this a big enough lasagna for a family of 5? I cook for a family of 2, so I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna get 1, 2. I'm gonna get, I think, 4 of these because I'm gonna be doing this for a while. So I'm gonna get these ones. Will you hold these, please? And then we're gonna just put the cookies in here and put foil on top. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, and the garlic bread. Uh-oh. I forgot about the garlic bread. Hold on. Okay, garlic bread, because I'm giving them 10 pieces. So garlic bread and cookies. Perfect.
The red one is way bigger than the lasagna one.
I do think that was a successful trip. We got everything that we needed, and honestly, cost was pretty dang good. I'm struggling because I'm a family of 2 and I've never had to feed a family of 5, so I'm trying to like make sure I'm able to feed a family of 5. So anyways, let's go home and get to prepping some stuff, and I'm going to put it in the fridge overnight. I just really have to cook the meat and the noodles, and can assemble it, and then I can just take it to them tomorrow. It's going to be super easy. I'm very, very, very excited. This is the best angle I've got so you can see what I'm doing, okay? Everything has been cleaned, sanitized, good to go. Water is boiling. These noodles actually thoroughly confuse me, and I'm not going to be the one putting it in the oven, so I am going to cook them till they're al dente because I'm just nervous. I'm just nervous that they're not going to cook all the way. I'm not sure, so we're just going to cook them. I did go to pastry school, so I was Serve Safe certified, so I do know how to do food safety handling. I made Kelly and I some cookies. I'm also making them cookies, but I'm gonna make those tomorrow so that they're fresh. When I was talking to this gal, she said that they like heavy on the protein. So that is why I'm nervous I'm not gonna get enough meat in there, but I think we'll be okay. Okay, do we think this is enough for a family of 5? I sure hope so. Um, I used up all of the meat and most of the sauce, all of the ricotta, and this is all I had left of the cheese. Tomorrow I will package up, we'll make the cookies, we'll package up the garlic bread, and I'm going to let this cool a little bit before I put it in the refrigerator overnight. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know, I'm pretty proud of myself with how that fit in there. Holy Jesus. Oh! All over me. Don't worry, I have a helper who cleans up every little scrap I drop. This is the perfect size container for this. Love it. After this, we are going to, it's called Handmade Omaha. That is where I got my 2 girls that are hanging up last year or whatever year I got them. So Lauren and Kelly are going to go with me to drop this off. And then after that, we're going to go to Handmade Omaha. So once I have all this done, let the cookies cool, I'm going to get myself ready. I need to write instructions, though, for the toast and for the lasagna. So let's do that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I think that's the cookies.
No, that's the corn. I like the corn.
Okay. It's all packed up. It's all good to go. I feel better about the amount that I'm giving them. So I'm excited. She just texted me her address. So I'm not going to film going there, obviously, for privacy reasons, but I'm really excited, a little bit nervous, and we'll see. I'll talk to you guys tonight when I get back from like the Maker's Market and all of that stuff. So yeah, let's go. Oh, but also I'm wearing the iced coffee earrings that I bought at Aldi yesterday. All right, I'll see you guys tonight. I am back for an update. So I dropped it off. It went very smoothly. She was a sweetheart, very kind human. And she texted me about 10 minutes ago and told me it was enough food. They all really enjoyed it, and she can't wait for next time. So all of my anxieties were for naught. But yeah, she was just a super sweet human, and we both cried. So because, you know, everybody's in a different season of life. There have been seasons where I need this and I was too afraid to reach out and get it, but now I'm in kind of a better position to be able to help people, and I love that people are reaching out for help, because it is a very, very hard thing to do, because our society has made community almost obsolete. And this kind of just solidified that for me, because I don't know, the fact that like I almost wanted to sob because I was giving somebody a meal just shows me how little community there is, and the sense of community and how it helps us as a human species. Like, we just need that human connection, and we are missing that. So if anybody gets anything out of this video, the one thing I want it to be is to connect with your fellow humans a little bit more and show up for your community in whatever capacity that looks like for you. Everyone's capacity is different, everyone's role is different, and embrace who you are and find what works best for you. I love to cook, and cooking is part of my love language. I love cooking for people and giving it to them and watching them enjoy it and getting feedback from it. So that is my part, I feel like, in this. But if you're just somebody who wants to be more behind the scenes and coordinating, that's huge. That's a huge part. I never would have met this human had somebody not coordinated this, or somebody had set up the group. So there are so many tiers and levels to community that there's a spot for everybody, I promise. So thank you guys so much, first off, for giving me the inspiration and courage to do more of these things. I look forward to sharing more with you guys about finding community and volunteering and how you can help around your community. How many times have I said community in this video is my question. So I just can't thank you guys enough for helping me, because you inspire me to be a better human being. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.